on the Cuddle channel here playing Angry Birds Go. Go feed away because I uploaded it.
Hey guys, go subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, my other friends here today. Just saying.
My Aaron friend. What?
My other friend. Waiting. There we go. Shy guys, I know because we're in a restaurant. So. Watch stupid thing. That was awesome, guys. I played the people on it. Because my cousins told me how to do it. Do it again.
So he told me he's done with it. He's done with the Cookie Moss. He's done with it. And now they found someone that the Barale Glassy at the stable.
Do I get this guy?
He wants that.
Give me your phone.
Yeah, we all went to our phrases. Right. We all do that now.
Shh, I'm doing a video.
I just now start taking that's fine. But like I'm telling you,
Galaxy 6 comes out. I'm into the iPhone 7.
You know, to make it an iPhone 10, it's like it's long play. It's not long play, am I right?
Did you ever see the PS5? It's released in and I think 2018 they're gonna release the PS5.
Yes. What?
In 2018 I think they're gonna release the PS5.
Ah, sucks.
My factory, he bought me a watch. So the watch was sitting once is like 10,000. It's not really beyond expensive. You can't say it's a $30,000 watch where I have to make it. So the watch he wants is to make it more money, right? To them the watch. Hey, if you literally, well, I should take it. If I get the money, I would like to go without him and just surprise me. Because I know for someone else, well, how much can you buy me that contract?
Guys, reminder gameplay. So.
My son's Lionel's over there doing this. Even San Diego, that's down the street, I can't make it to him. I don't care. Now we learn very good.
Bring it out!
I don't mind what
I know. Awesome drift on
Yeah, Cody, you're so slim.
The day it's been only a handful of times Danny really got up to pick him.
Well, guys, that's enough more to say. I will make more tomorrow, I promise. But see ya.